Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Mind. For those who don't know, I really enjoy watching shows and movies about money, and today I watched the trailer for possibly my new favorite show that's on Discovery Channel, and it's called Undercover Billionaire. And it's a show about a billionaire. His name is Glenn Stearns, and he decides to put his money away and basically start anew in a town called Erie, Pennsylvania, like a town of 100,000 people. And he's trying to create a $1 million company in just 90 days. But the best part is he starts off with $100 in his pocket, an old truck, and 0 contacts. And so how is he gonna do it? So just watching the trailer, I've identified 3 lessons that Glenn would definitely be teaching us for him to achieve this goal. And that's probably why he's a billionaire now, because money would just be attracted to him by doing these things. So we're gonna watch the trailer here together. It's a 30-second trailer, and I'm gonna slow down some of the scenes and identify some of the things I noticed.
My name is Glenn Stearns. I went from rags to riches, but it wasn't luck.
Welcome to Erie, Pennsylvania.
Now I want to start over with $100 and an old pickup truck in a city where I don't know a
So let's stop here. The first lesson that I see here is that he's putting away his ego. Whether or not this is for the camera, he's still scrubbing toilets. He's sleeping in the truck in the cold. He's eating ramen. He's doing whatever it takes necessary to keep up with his basic needs with what he's got. Have we not met someone who thinks bathroom cleaning is below them? Anything less than a Louis Vuitton bag is not a bag at all? And in order to become wealthy, we need to be able to be dirty and to overcome other people's judgments of us.
Nice to meet you.
I'm betting I can build $1 million business in 90 days. It could positively impact.
Okay, here, the second thing I noticed, in this 30-second trailer, he shook 3 people's hands. That's 1 handshake for every 10 seconds. He knows no one in Erie, so it's time to meet people and figure out how he can help them and their city. And the more people that he meets, the more stories that he'll know, the more problems he'll encounter, and the more solutions he's able to come up with. And solutions are where the money is.
A lot of people if I do it right.
You're doing a good job.
And here, let's look at this. Contribution is another thing he's teaching us right now. He's doing this to impact the people of Erie. He's building this company so that the people in Erie can have more jobs. And in this clip right here, it looks like he's helping out a homeless shelter. And I'm reading this article here too. Yes, I'm cheating a little bit here, but he bets that if he can't make his company worth $1 million, he will put $1 million of his own money into it.
And I'm going to do it all undercover.
Undercover Billionaire. New series premieres Tuesday, August 6th at 10 on Discovery and Discovery Go.
Think about this. He doesn't need to do this show for money. So why would he give up his luxurious life to do this show if it weren't for something else perhaps? So in 30 seconds, it's easy to figure out how someone becomes wealthy. And this show is an excellent opportunity for us to watch someone with this wealth mindset. And we give him no money, and we get to watch him attract the wealth and build his wealth from the ground up again. This is an invaluable experience. So hopefully you'll be able to join me in watching this show as well. I know it's on Discovery Channel. And in the comments below, tell me what you think about the show and the trailer so far. I'd like to hear what you have to say. And don't forget to like this channel and like what I do and subscribe to what I do, and we'll see you next time.